Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to edit the instructor graphic. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag the graphic to shrink it up a little bit. And you'll notice here it kind of intertwines with one another. I need to play this to see where we need to actually set the mark. Okay? And see, I say hi. So we can cut to here. I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Okay? So we can cut it right before that, right here. Okay, so we're going to go to Edit. Let's split the layer. I'm going to delete this, and we can also get rid of the lower third as well. Okay, so let's try that again. Let's see how it looks.
Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. The course begins with the basics. I'll take you through everything you need to know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn.
Okay, so we've done this part where we animated the title graphic. And actually it's the graphic. Okay. So now we're going to add the lower third for the student's graphic. Okay. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.